Hey guys, what's going on? This is Cool Toys. What I have here on my table today is a little diorama that is set up at a construction site. We got the new pickup truck that we recently detailed, put the camouflage on, customized with the Woodlands camo. We got Sergeant Slaughter out here. We got barbecue in the back. We have a construction vehicle here. This is a Volvo forklift front loader. We got Duke, what's his name, toll booth with the bridge layer, and we have our rescue doing, as the bridge would say, like health and safety. And we have our MP back here with Footloose in the back. So I'm just gonna move some of these vehicles around and do like a little scene diorama, maybe even like a stop action type of movie. Loading up the pickup truck, moving these guys around. Yeah, and Lifeline, he'll be standing by in case there's any kind of like injuries or emergency situations. Law and Order on security detail. So, without further ado, stand by and let me move some of these guys around. Alright, well, that was my quick little diorama, stop motion picture about this construction site. Moving some crates, pallets, things like that on a construction site in the background there. Plan on making like more of a bigger table and more of a diorama. I want to make like a flight line and like a real construction site, you know, moving stuff around like they would, building a base, building a forward element, things like that. So let me know what you think. Please comment, like, subscribe. This was Cool Toys. Later.